Good morning, traders, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setup for today. So tomorrow is the 4th of July, which is public holiday in the US, so today is closed. Futures market is open, but don't expect anything to happen. That'll be a quick video. I think just really going to recap what happened yesterday. And you can see we have been capped again by this area here, which is 3,160. If you look to the left, you can see that is a pretty strong area of resistance. Kind of missed it here, but then we have really stuck to it the last couple of weeks. Okay, now a couple of scenarios that I see playing out at the moment. Just want to get down to 3 hour quickly. So the first one is we have this channel which has broken. Okay, we've had a sort of a 1 bar pullback onto this environment, but it's sort of been relatively choppy, but the trend has been up. What I see happening at the moment, and I don't know if it'll happen today, it may very well happen today because the volumes will be low and it'll allow people to push the market up. But I do see if this 3,160 goes, then I want to see a retest of it, and that would get me up for the next target, which for me anyway is 3,200 area. Okay, so this is now the 5th attempt at this area. We did get a fairly strong rejection bar off this area, but we've gone basically sideways now. Now if we come down to the hour, you'll see up. Sellers came in, took profit before going off on their long weekend. Price was pushed up again, and then going right at the close, sellers came in again, and that was the guys that were in the afternoon shift and were taking their profit off the table. So that there pretty much doesn't indicate a sell-off to me. It's really just profit taking. So technically, I'd be looking for opportunities to buy this area here, and these zones have been pretty messy as, let's not say people, but I think algorithms have been trying to ambush us. So you can see that's why the tails extend pretty far into it. This area here would offer a buying opportunity. But yeah, I think I'll stay out of the US markets today. I don't think the volumes are not going to be there. You may have a few, the volume pick up at the European Open, but I think there are actually a couple of currencies which are looking like some opportunities this morning. Okay, so anyway, this afternoon is going to be a quiet day. Now, what I do want to highlight here is the sell-off here, and where did the buyer step in? Okay, and it's coming down to 5 minutes here because this is fairly significant, and I have to zoom in so you can see it. Let's go one more. Give me a sec, just got to find it. But it would be better if we just mark today. Where are we? We came down into, there it is there. Okay, so this is something which is often missed. So there's a 5 minute gap here, and let's zoom in a little bit so you'll see it. Okay, right, so you can see right over here is a 5 minute gap right there. Okay, now these 5 minute gaps are very, very significant, especially in the sense of day trading. And you can see this was the news that came through. We rallied a bit, market opened, nobody really knew what was going on, saw that we'd rallied and then sold off quickly, took their profit. One move down, one move up, second move down. We ignored this level of support. You can see this, and this level of support is on the 15 and on the hour as well. We ignored that completely, and we came down. A lot of people would think of this situation, oh dear, it's broken this level, we're going to the next level, so we should be shorting here. Some people did, but you can see where the bulls were waiting. The bulls were waiting right here at this gap. Okay, just below there's a Brooks gap as well on the 5-minute, right over there. Okay, and you can see exactly what transpired. And if I zoom out, come up to the 15, you'll see gap was inside there. That's exactly where we went to. Short of the next level of support, broke through the first level of support pretty convincingly. And a lot of people, when you see that, would have said, okay, well, we're going down to the next level, which is down here. This is not the case. Okay, this is why I'm always trading with the trend. When the trend is up, whatever pullback comes back, I'm looking for opportunities to buy. So even if you'd bought there, your stop wouldn't have been below this fractional, but below the second fractional here. So you would have still been safe and it would have got you, but you just wouldn't have got the right entry. Okay, so that's just something, just to highlight, the support and resistance. There are multiple components to it. It's not just where price is, but also where gaps are. Gaps are very, very important. Okay, anyway, that's enough waffle from me. Today we're staying out of the market. I am still looking for opportunities to buy. You may get a sideways move today, or during the European session, the European morning session, depending on what the DAX does, you may find this rally and sort of attack this upper level again, which wouldn't surprise me at all. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me today. I hope it helps, and we will catch you later. Cheers for now.